Hi, Toby. How are you?
Hi, Dr. Dola. I'm good. How are you?
Oh, good. Thank you so much. The last time we had the assignment with the positive thinking, positive self-taught, self-thinking, and you went for the interview. And how did it go with the interview?
The interview was okay. It was nice, but there was something that happened that bothered me. When I went, I waved, but they didn't wave back. So I assumed and I kind of focused on the fact that they didn't like me.
Mhm. If you think about this idea, they don't like you. Any assumptions you might be thinking about in the background?
Well, I guess I'm assuming because they didn't wave back that that's an indicator that they don't like me.
Oh, sure. So the assumption is that they don't like you, or the assumption is that they didn't wave at you. That means they don't like you. And if they have waved back at you, that means they like you.
Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure that's normal that if someone waves at you, you wave at them back. I'm assuming they saw me, but I'm not 100% sure.
Assumptions. Could it have also been they saw you, but they did not recognize you?
Maybe, but I don't think. I'm assuming that's not the case.
Mm, good point. Assumption is acknowledgement. It means thinking and vice versa. They recognize me, they wave back. They don't recognize me, they don't wave back. It's just an assumption.
Yeah.
Do you have any proof or evidence that they don't like you?
Uh, Lack of acknowledgement is good evidence that someone doesn't like you. You know, someone's cold towards you.
Oh. What is the conclusion you settled for?
Mm, I believe it's the best conclusion that they didn't wave back at me, so they don't like me or they were thinking something about me before they saw me.
All right. So let's look at it this way. Are there other conclusion that, or maybe viewpoint that we might look at it in another perspective, in another way?
Mm, I guess I'll have to change the way I look at it. Maybe they were stressed or busy, or maybe they just didn't see me.
Mm, yeah, they could be distracted, they could be busy. We have all these thoughts. Why did you pick the one they don't like you? Why didn't you pick that they could be stressed or they could be busy?
Well, now that I'm thinking about it, it's possible that there's other ways of looking at
Mm, what is the result of you holding on to that thought of they don't like you?
it. Sadness, feeling depressed, feeling unhappy.
Mm, that's right. We have other possibilities. What would be the result of having to pull out other possibilities that you said, like, they could be distracted, they were stressed.
Well, if it were true, if they weren't hostile towards me, it would make me more happy.
Oh. What do you feel with this exercise of having to think the other way that probably they could be stressed or they could be distracted, you know?
Um, I guess I like it. It's a different way to look at it and a different way to think about things in a more positive way.
That's right. I know we're looking at things differently. How does that make you feel emotionally?
It definitely makes me feel more intrigued, surprised, you know. But how come I still believe that maybe it's true? Maybe they did see me and they didn't wave back and they don't like me.
All right. Well, the whole purpose is to think about things positively. Consider different possibilities, different aspects of things, and how it makes you feel. So, in other words, try to hold on to those things that make you feel positive, because there are different possibilities to things. They could be distracted, like we said. There could be other possibilities. So that's the whole purpose. And how these different possibilities, how it makes you feel. In other words, it needs to help you question your thoughts.
Hmm, that makes sense. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I'll see you in the next class therapy in the next session, okay?